Hello students. So today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 6, changes around us. It's very simple chapter. So here we'll read about the changes which we can see in our daily routine, the different changes. So first, what is change? Change, we can define change as an act by which a thing forms or becomes different than its previous self. For instance, when ice melts, it changes into water, therefore it turns in its form from solid to liquid. So that means ice changed into water. The previous stage of ice was solid, now it converts into liquid. Basically, changes occur everywhere, every day around us. But why and how do things change? क्यों होती हैं? Do they all follow the same pattern? क्या सभी एक जैसे होते हैं? No. What are the different kinds of changes? See, we can see some example. Have you seen ever a bird becoming a flower, curdling of milk, lighting a candle? So these are the different changes which we can note down in our daily life. Different size candles melts, wax rises, wick of the candle, they have different sizes. Wick, when we are burning a candle, when we are lighting a candle, the wax evaporates to form vapor of wax, some amount of wax. So these are the changes. A change refers to a noticeable difference in shape, size, color, state, internal structure, or any other property of a substance. That means that change can be of any time. Maybe the shape is changed, maybe the color change, smell change, or maybe the new subject is producing after a change. Right, children? So a change is referred to, this I have explained you. Now here we can see some changes, some common changes. I think it's little bit not visible. So first is physical change, chemical change, slow and fast change, reversible and irreversible change, and periodic and non-periodic changes. So these changes will read in this chapter later in explanation form, but these are the common changes which we are going to learn in this chapter. Children, some changes produce a new substance while other do not. किसी से नया substance बनता है, किसी से नहीं बनता है. Many changes taking place around us occur by themselves. They are happening by their own. We are not doing any external effort for those changes. Growing up, living things like we people are growing, a toddler becoming an adult, this is growth, this is growing, it's a change which there is no foundation of anyone else, right? Shading of leaves by plants, day and night, rusting of iron, curdling of milk, some are the changes that occur by themselves. These changes are called natural change because they are occurring naturally. वो अपने आप हो रहे हैं. We are not doing any external effort to perform those changes. So this is which change? Natural change. The changes that are brought about the humans, like we are doing something additionally, those changes are called man-made changes. Like making a dress by cutting and stitching. We are making a paper boat by a paper. So on the basis of some properties, changes can be broadly be grouped as reversible, irreversible, physical, chemical. Right, children? So in this chapter, basically we will read about the physical and chemical changes and their what? Their causes, how this happen, and their effects. Okay, children? Thank you.